Hi, I'm Norma. Welcome to Cooking Without Ideas. Who's ready for the Super Bowl? I'm ready. If you make this queso dip, it doesn't matter who wins because you win. And this is our ingredients. Half a pound of ground beef, Velveeta cheese, 1 tomato, onions, 1 serrano pepper, avocado, salt, half a cup of milk, and the best ingredient, butter with this, salad. Perfect combination. We put some salt. At this point we can put the onions. We're going to melt the cheese with double boiler. Remember we have half a cup of milk. I'm wearing my Aggie shirt because my team didn't make the Super Bowl. Some tomatoes, pepper. Let's put some avocados. Oh, baby. The queso dip is ready. Hope your team wins. Don't forget like and subscribe. And salute.